Hello everyone, I am Madhurita Sundare, Associate Professor in Physics from Kejiredi College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about carrier concentration in N-type semiconductor. So here this is the valency band EV and EC is the conduction band where the N-type semiconductor how it will be formed when you are adding the pentavalent impurity. So here phosphorus atom used here and this is a pentavalent impurity to added to a pure semiconductor. So here the donor it will donate electrons, so it is known as donated electrons, this one. So here already we discussed on last class about the Fermi levels in N-type semiconductors. Now we will discuss about the concentration in N-type semiconductor. So what is the that only the derivation part I will explain now. So here we already discussed about N equal to how much concentration of electrons equal to, we already know for pure semiconductor N equal to 2 into 2 pi me star kt by a square to the power 3 by 2 e to the power minus ef minus ec already, sorry, this is plus ef minus ec by kt. Already you know about this equation, concentration of electron in conduction band. Already we discussed. Here what you have to find out, this Fermi level already we know EF expression and we have to put that value in this equation. Then what is EF here? EF equal to Fermi level energy, EF equal to, already we explained, EC plus ED by 2 plus KT by 2 log of ND by 2 pi me star KT divided by a square to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, next just expand this e to the power only. See here this equation e to the power, this one I will derive now, e to the power ef minus ec by kt, and after this derivation I will put this equation here in this first equation. So now I will take e to the power this expression only, e to the power ef minus ec by kt equal to, how will expand e to the power ef by kt minus ec by kt. Okay, equal to exponential, I will write this e term as exponential ec plus ed by 2 plus kt by 2 log of nd by 2 2 pi me star kt minus 3 by 2 by kt. Okay, we will take the whole bracket here by kt into, what's the next step, e to the power minus ec by kt. So here we'll get equal to exponential ec plus ed by 2 kt. Okay, just denominator is kt, it will go to down, it will come 2 kt, and if this kt and this kt it will be cancel out, we will get half of log of nd by 2 what the rest of the term, 2 pi me star kt 3 by 2, I forgot here, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, this is by s square, into e to the power whatever the rest term is c by kt. Okay. Next is e to the power equal to e to the power is c plus ed by 2 kt into e to the power half of log of nd by 2 2 pi me star kt divided by a square 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into e to the power rest the term e to the power minus e c by kt. Next, we'll get here exponential, we'll add all the terms e to the power ec plus ed minus 2 ec by 2 kt. Just after solving this, we'll get by 2 kt in denominator, e to the power log of e to the power log of nd by 2, whatever the rest term it will be there, 2 pi me star kt by a square minus 3 by 2 to the power half, to the power half. When we are getting the logarithm, it will go to top that half. It will be the power half equal to e to the power is ec. It will be become ec minus 2ec equal to minus ec. I will write here ed minus ec by 2 kt into nd by 2 to the power half, to the power half. So I am taking here logarithm here, so that e should not be there. Nd by 2 half into 2 pi me star kt by a square minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 into half, it will become minus 3 by 4. Then what will be our equation? Already we know that this equation we have to put n equal to this much. Then I will put here n equal to just put the equations, n equal to 2 into 2 pi me star kt by me star kt by a square to the power 3 by 2 e to the power ef minus ec. Already we got this value, just put this value here. Simple derivation e to the power ed minus ec by 2 kt nd by 2 to the power half 2 pi me star kt by a square to the power minus 3 by 4, to the power minus 3 by 4. After solving, how much we will get? n equal to 2 into 2 pi me star kt by h square 3 by 2 nd by 2 to the power half e to the power ed minus ec by 2 kt. Just solve this equation, ed minus ec by kt. Final equation we will get here n equal to 2 nd to the power half rest of the term 2 pi m star kt divided by s square to the power whole to the power minus 3 by 4, not minus, this is plus 3 by 4 e to the power ed minus ac by 2 kt. Thank you all.